Okay, good morning. What do you want? Sa inyo, about ano yung radio?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, first of all, pinaila sa mga isa-isa. Okay.
Partly may umasip mo.
20 years old, sir.
Taga-budget sa bana, sir. Mga palitan. Lumahigo lang, sir.
Sir,
Sir, hindi ko mang disturb po, sir. Nag-blatter ba mo diri ka nang i-dispatch na for medical, ana-ana?
Ako ga, blatter ko.
Hindi magtanaw, sir.
Ang tanaw sa...
Katong minor ba nga nadagpaglastar?
Okay, good morning mga kaibigan. So, I am Patrolman Kanyetan. I am designated in my new assignment here, which is radio operator. So, as far as, first of all, thank you so much for coming here in the office. And also, we need to know first what is radio communications. So, radio communication is all about the communication which is run by the internet. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, in the highway of communications, we need to know that internet is the most very important and kaya siya kailangan na to and needed to in the pag-dispatch natin, especially in radio communication. So, radio communication as a communicator for the radio. So, first of all, kinigod siya mga inani, mga estudyante, we need to secure first a license from the NTC kung balibaga. But here in the PNP, we gain for our experience only. So, what is radio communications all about in PNP? So, we have a protocols, we have a law provided on this. So, at the radio communications, no, naatay gitawag og
Sir,
kining radio communication has migrated from the analog, no, analog multi-trunk radio system to digital radio communication system. So that's why mayroon tayong tinatawag na DMR, digital mobile radio. So there is a provided a memorandum circular kung bakit tayo nag-ooperate ang PNP with the provision and the help of the NTC. So ang naadiri sa to in digital mobile radio communication system, mayroon tayong tinatawag na standard project are being implemented by the PNP. So, in different pieces, mayroon tayong tinatawag the master plan of the PNP. We have a master plan by the PNP through the NTC, no? Tinatawag natin na master plan. So, mayroon tayong tatlo dito na memorandum circular. Number 1 na memorandum circular, I would like for you to know for this, for reiteration for the information. So, kini siya, Circular 2021-017. So, try to research about this. And then, anong sinasabi dito? Ang sinasabi po dito, mga estudyante, it's all about policies, guidelines, and protocols. Sa Memorandum Circular 2021-017. So, we have in number 2, Memorandum Circular also, 2020-004 is all about a proper utilization of all digital mobile radio or DMR. And also, we have a PNP, a Memorandum Circular 2021-016. It's all about the PNP on properties. So, ano ba yung ibig sabihin dito? Lahat po nito mga estudyante, kailangan po naka-standard po tayo through by the help of our NTC or di ba, yung National Telecommunication. all the operations in the certain countries, sa lahat ng buong bansa, no, we need from the approval from the NTC. Even kung kayo po ay isang driver ng you are the mini pilot, even in the yung sa drone, so we need to secure some license. So here in the PNP, it is our duty and responsibility to secure our public safety, no? Or the safety of the public occupants of our country. That's all is mandated by the Philippine Constitution. So, ito po yon. So, sa all about the radio communication, you are a dispatcher. No? You are a dispatcher in the whole EOR of the Tagum City. Like for example, Tagum City was under by the command of the PPO, Kumil, and the Jubilee of the region. So, Tagum City was all the mobile patrollers, motor cars, either in the foot patrollers, was designated to be dispatched by anytime by the Bismuth, which is our radio base here in Tagum City. So, kita po, we have to exercise our yung tinatawag natin na to dispatch our personnel. No? Why? If there is a personnel who refuse your dispatch time, like for example, all about 9:01 AM of December 19, 2024, akong gi-dispatch ikaw, dayon you refuse sa ako ang pag-dispatch, and then you maybe you faces for the cases or the violation, which is yung tinatawag natin na pag-abandon or sunod, no? It is a conflict with that. So here, ito yung tinatawag natin na one prime radio. One prime radio is the short from, so the smaller than the high tera. So before, no, as we all know, as far as the knowledge is concerned and the history, radio communication was used during World War I, World War II. Especially in the PNP was used by the PC and the INP. No, until now was mandated by the 6975 Republic Act and the 8551. No? So, in radio communication, kailangan no tayo, we answer from any calls. May tawag mo dito from the cell phone. We have here the base nato kini. Ito high tera. It is connected by the high tera. No, ito. Ito naman yung sa Providence. So, we encountered a lot of calls. Daghan kayong mga tawag. Kabalo mo. There is a call when I was here. There is a call na nakabuhi lang ang iyang iro o ang iyang iring, nanawag ang pulis to respond. No? Nanawag siya mobile. So, kailangan lang nato hello, Master. Hi, hello, Master. Sige. Sige. So, ganun, no? Mayroon tayong mga different works